Hello everyone, hello Facebook. Haven't been online for a while, so today we are doing do-it-yourself hand sanitizer at home since everybody's out. We are almost out, that's all we have so far. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix up our own hand sanitizer. But you gotta be careful. First of all, first ingredient you need is alcohol. This one's 91% alcohol, first aid antiseptic. You need 3/4 of these cups of alcohol. So let's measure it up. We need 3 of this, okay? This is 1/4 cup. We'll need 3 of these cups.
Okay.
It's first time, I don't know what I'm doing, but let's see what happens.
Where does she go?
If we can get it right. Gotta be careful. Okay, so this is number 1. That's my empty soap cup. So I have
Alcohol.
container.
Why does it
got-
need alcohol?
Well, to sanitize your hands.
Oh.
So when you get cut, you get hurt or something, or you get vaccination, you need to put some of this rubbing alcohol.
Okay, where does that go?
So this is number 2. 2/4 of a cup. And we need 3/4 of a cup. So this is the third one. So you gotta watch. It can burn your hands, so don't overdo this, okay?
Why?
Because
Yeah, it has
especially
a fire warning on it.
especially if you have like a cut, it will be kind of burning.
Yeah, it would be burning why? Oh wow, it actually does smell kind of like
Smells
alcohol.
like alcohol.
I know, I can.
So
I
this
can
is
smell it.
3/4. This is my empty container. 3/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, and this one's 91%. Then we're gonna add aloe vera and vitamin E. Aloe vera and vitamin E.
Can I pour these in, Mom?
No, I
I'm
don't
not
want you.
having fun.
Let
I
me-
thought this was gonna be fun. It's super boring.
Okay, I don't know. I'm making it the first time, so let's see. 1/4 of a cup. It's gonna be clear. That's our second ingredient. You see it, Ryder? It's clear like water, but it's aloe vera to soften the harshness of that alcohol. Okay, let's add this. Gotta be careful so we don't spill this. Now let's add some tea tree oil.
What's tree oil?
Tea tree oil.
Ooh.
You know what it helps with?
What?
First of all, it will smell good, and second, it's antiseptic, so it's supposed to help to be nice for kind of sanitizing your hands, you know. So you gotta count 10 drops, okay?
Oh, 10 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kinda. I don't know. Kinda there, so it doesn't smell like alcohol too much. Hey, thanks for joining. We're just trying this DIY hand sanitizer for the first time. Oh, it looks pretty. It's kind of sparkly, huh? Now we need to close that lid and shake it up. You want to see it? There is no color though. There is no color to it. It's clear. It's clear. We gotta shake it up real well. See what happens.
Like my hands.
Hey, we don't. You want to sanitize your hands? You're gonna be my
Annie.
product tester.
Do it,
Wait,
do
I
it,
gotta
do it,
shake
do
it up well so we don't like have it everywhere. It's pretty cool looking, huh?
Spray it in my hand.
It's not really like this one. This one's more like gel, I think. Mine's. Should we add this one to this one?
No. Yeah, but then it would be different colors.
I know. Smells good.
Just squirt my hands.
Just a little bit because you don't want to put too much.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's see. Tell me if it burns or no. Let me put a little more. Do you need a little more? Oh, start rubbing it like this. I have tea tree oil
Ooh,
on me.
it feels good.
Does it feel good?
Yeah, it doesn't. It
Doesn't burn?
No.
Oh, that's good. Ryder, you want to try some?
Mm-hmm. Is it not
Okay.
burn?
No, it's not gonna burn. We're
It
gonna
just
put a
kinda
little
smells
bit.
like alcohol.
Does it?
Yeah.
Start rubbing it in. We're
That's
gonna be
the only thing
sanitizing
that
our hands. That's what we come up with. It's kind of not really jelly.
Yeah.
I was expecting more jelly one. It's more of a liquid, but it smells good. It's not
it's more like soapy.
soapy more. Uh-huh.
It smells.
I added
good.
aloe vera
I
to
smelled
it. Aloe vera, vitamin E, tea tree oil, and
It
alcohol.
smells
That's my 3 ingredients. That's
I
all.
know.
What do you think, guys? Does it smell good?
Yeah, right.
It's not that bad?
Smell. Yeah.
I like the alcohol.
I still don't
Smells like
smell alcohol, even though it has tea tree oil.
Look at that.
Why
But-
does why
Don't
does
touch
the
your eyes.
alcohol smell like that?
It doesn't. It's really like oily though. I have the like oil so it won't burn your hands. It will soften up the harshness
It's
of the
really
alcohol.
raw.
Now we know if we don't have to.
So it has like oil and alcohol in it. And tea tree oil. It's not really burning, so it feels good.
Yeah,
And it's
you're not
not like
supposed
use
to
this
drink that.
This one, well, usually if you
You're
have
not
acne
supposed to
or you have like
drink it.
always that
You're
you
not
need to heal
supposed
tea
to
tree oil.
drink it.
Also, when you're sick,
You're not supposed to drink it.
no, they're not supposed to drink it. This
Yeah,
is
that
just-
looks like water, but don't
it's
do
not.
it.
This is baby oil, aloe vera, vitamin E. Okay, thanks for joining. I think we got it. It actually feels good. It doesn't burn doesn't burn our hands though, and it sanitizes since it has like 91%.
Mom, can you get me?
Does it feel good? It's
Yeah.
kind of like hand cream soft, huh?
Yeah, I like so.
But don't touch your eyes, okay?
Why?
Well, you don't want to burn your eyes.
Mom,
Huh?
can you get me some?
Thank you for joining us. Have a nice day. Love you all. Bye. Hang in there. Stay safe and healthy.